Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Tanmoy, staying with you. Today we analyze the manganese concentration of groundwater in Bangladesh. For this special analysis, we used spatial interpolation method like IDW. IDW means inverse distance weighting. After preparing a map by spatial interpolation method IDW, then we make a contour. So let's begin with. Before starting, we know about some basic concepts of spatial interpolation. Mr. Tobler in 1970 said that everything is related to everything else, but near things are more related than distant things. It is the first law of geography. This is the basic premise behind interpolation, and near points generally receive higher weights than faraway points. What is spatial interpolation? Interpolation predicts value for cells in a raster from a limited number of sample data points. It can be used to predict unknown values for any geographic point data like elevation, rainfall, chemical concentration, noise levels, and so on. Interpolation is prediction within the range of our data. On the left is a point dataset of known values. On the right is the raster interpolated from this point. Unknown values are predicted with mathematical formula that uses the values of nearby known points. What is inverse distance weighting or IDW? The inverse distance weighting interpolator assumes that each input point has a local influence that diminishes with distance. It weights the points closer to the processing cell greater than those further away. A specified number of points or all the points within a specified radius can be used to determine the output value of each location. Use of this method assumes the variable being mapped decreases in influence with distance from its sampled location. So now let's begin with. Here we see that two layers. It is the area of interest, and the area is Bangladesh, and it is the union-wise manganese concentration level. If we open the attribute table of this layer, we see 307 points, and these points manganese concentration level. For better visualization, go to properties and then symbology, then quantities, then graded symbol, and in this value field we choose the manganese concentration level and classify it into 3 and change the color red. Then we see the concentration level intensity in each union. The higher radius of the symbol indicates the high concentration level of manganese, and these unions which has higher radius has high concentration of manganese level. For interpolating this manganese concentration level all over the Bangladesh, we use spatial interpolation technique. In this session, I will show you how to interpolate point data by using IDW tools. So go to search and then search IDW. Then you get IDW spatial analyst. Go to there and choose input point feature as union area of interest, and the jet field will be the manganese concentration level. Then choose a output location. I like to name it IDW MN. BD. Then other things will be okay. Then press OK. After that, make the Bangladesh boundary hollow. Then you see that the manganese concentration level was interpolated to the area of whole Bangladesh, but we see that there are some areas where we don't see the interpolated result, and some extra area which we don't need are also interpolated. So now for getting the interpolated value within the area of Bangladesh, we have to change some environment setting. For this, go to geoprocessing result and click IDW and go to environment setting, then click processing extent. Here the processing extent is default, and now we choose the processing extent as same as layer AOI, the area of interest. And you also change another things, and it is the raster analysis, and the max value is area of interest. And now press OK, then OK. After that, you see the interpolated value within Bangladesh. Now you can change the symbology. I want to make the class as 7 and change the color ramp like this and press OK. Then you see the concentration, manganese concentration level in Bangladesh through different colors. This color signifies the high intensity of manganese concentration. And now we prepare a contour of this concentration level. So search contour, then you get contour spatial analysis, then choose the input raster IDW manganese VD, then put a contour interval. I want to put the contour interval 0.3. So then press OK. After that, you get the contour of manganese concentration level. After this session, I think you will be able to use the IDW and control tools for a spatial interpolation method. So thank you everyone. Have fun with GX.